hope we're all doing really, really well. Today, I'm talking about the one affirmation that absolutely changed my life. I've tried all of them, and this is the one that has transformed everything, and it's really easy to say and remember. I feel like affirmations and the law of assumption makes it so hard to, say all of these affirmations at once, 30 affirmations, that it's totally not needed. You can even just say one generic line and everything can change in your life. So I'm going to be talking about that. But before we get into it, you're more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things self-development. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Like I said, the law of assumption operates heavily on affirmations, and they're not even really affirmations per se, but just your thoughts. We have 80,000, 60,000 thoughts every single day, and it's really important to control those thoughts and weave those thoughts from negative to positive. But sometimes you don't have time. You're at work, you're really busy. Don't get me wrong, specific affirmations are super useful, and if you have time and if you're excited to do them by all means. But when I am out and about every single day, it's really important to have a generic affirmation that you can just keep on saying without remembering all of these different ones, and know that that is enough. I tried 10 specific affirmations. I tried 5 specific affirmations. I tried different generic ones for a couple of months, and what it came down to me was one affirmation that gave me the most result and was the most easiest to remember to say as much as possible. Because it's really interesting, when I first started with my manifesting journey, I thought it was always important to just visualize at nighttime and that's it, and call it a day. And while that is the most important thing, you're going to get your manifestation much faster if you limit your negative thoughts and beliefs, and you work on your inner belief systems, but at the same time work on those thoughts that keep coming up and springing out every single day, right? So that is really important, but we can't have time to just always sit in our rooms and read all of these specific affirmations or dig deep within our, subconscious mind, which I don't even believe you have to do. Like, I literally just decide sometimes that this is something that I'm not going to have a problem with anymore, and it isn't a problem. I don't have to dig deep and reach into my inner child and fix old wounds. I just decide from this moment that I'm good at relationships, I'm amazing at friendships, I'm really successful, whatever it is, I have a really great relationship with money. As soon as you decide what it is, that's exactly what it is. There's no past, there's no future. So I have been trying all of these different generic affirmations, and the thing is that you can try different affirmations for you, definitely, and the feeling that you get when you say these affirmations should be your one telltale sign. So I'm going to tell you my affirmation, and definitely try it for a couple of days and see how it feels, because it is really important to say things that feels natural to you, that is easy for you to remember, that makes you excited. And so I would try all of these different, words and sayings that sound great on paper, but for me, it was just a little bit too cumbersome to say all the time, even if it was just 3 words. For example, one of them is, "Isn't it wonderful?" For some reason, that didn't hype me up enough. When I would say that, like, "Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful?" it didn't stick as much as the affirmation that I'm going to be speaking about now. The same thing is, "God, show me how good it gets." For some reason, I just didn't feel naturally inclined and excited to keep saying that all the time. I do say it on occasion when I remember, but it's all about one that just feels like home to you, and one that you can just keep on saying and remembering. And this is the one, for some reason, that really stuck to me. It's really simple and it just rolls off the tip of my tongue, and I always remember to say this one. Even when I did say, "Isn't it wonderful?" I just subconsciously, without even thinking about it, went back to this one that I tried once and it just stuck with me. So I really encourage you to try as many affirmations as possible. I mean, don't get too excited now. Try the affirmations that excite you, and whichever one that sticks, that feels natural for you to say and that kind of excites you as you're saying it, is exactly what you should be saying. You don't have to keep trying different affirmations, because it's not about the affirmations really, it's about how you feel when you say them and how easy and natural it is, because this is something for the long run. This isn't like a quick diet. We are lifestyle, healthy eaters, as opposed to crash dieters. We are doing this in the long run, in the long term. If I was a crash dieter, I wouldn't be eating, and I would be running on the street every single day and burning myself out, because that's what I hate to do. What I love to do now is eating healthy, but having my oatmeal with a crap load of peanut butter, and also going to the gym and doing my specific workouts that maybe some people don't like to do, but I like doing them, so I'm going to be going consistently, right? So it's all about finding something that's long term, that's going to make you excited when you say it and make you believe that that's what it is, because this specific affirmation really, really soothes me whenever something is going wrong, or if I am doubting myself. As soon as I say this, I believe it instantly, and it just snaps me back to a good feeling state where everything in my life goes exactly how I want it. So are you ready for the affirmation? Okay. The affirmation that I use every single time that I think negatively or when I want something, and it's generic. You must remember that it has to be generic. It can't be like, I get $10 million every single day. It has to be something that encompasses every part of your life. This is the one that works for me the most because it just rolls off the tip of my tongue and it's really natural, and this is the one that I remember and I can feel like, yeah, hell yeah, right? Okay, so the affirmation is, everything is going my way. Not everything is always going my way, whatever. Just super quick, straight to the point, everything is going my way. 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 And that is so powerful because it's super quick and it's not a question. I don't know, when I said, isn't it wonderful? My mind started to think, what's wonderful? And I get that that's the point of it, but it would just take me too long to kind of comprehend. Whereas this is really quick, straight to the point. I don't know, at first I was like, my way, but like, does my mind know what my way is? And that's not, my way doesn't necessarily mean my desires and my goals. But it really does. Like, your way is your way. Like, what you want, what you desire, all of your goals. My way is such it's like 3 letters way, but it all encompasses your wants, your needs, your desires, your goals, everything that you want in your life. Everything is going my way. And it also goes to just small things like, if you don't want to work, night shifts anymore at your job, everything is always going my way. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. And you don't even have to say, I don't have to work nights anymore. I'm not working nights. I always work days. I always work days. I always work days. If you just say everything is going my way, it's just going to automatically make that happen. If you can't pay your bill, everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. Everything is going my way. It's not, I've paid my bill or I'm super rich. Everything is going my way, and it's just going to come, and you don't even have to think of it. It's just going to come to you. I needed to say this in a separate video because I think that this affirmation is the most important one. I've done so many and I'm like, no, I'm going to resort back to this one because it's the one that's the most powerful and effective and makes me keep wanting to say these affirmations every time that I have negative thoughts, and it is the thing that works the most for me. So try it out. Let me know what you think. If you had any results, trust me, it's going to work. It is such a powerful affirmation. Let me know what you manifested with this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.